Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. This works whether you have 10 rows or thousands. Let's say we have a list of names in column B, and we want to quickly highlight any duplicates. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Select the column. First, select the entire column where your data lives. In this example, we're selecting column B. Step 2. Open Conditional Formatting. Now go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Conditional Formatting panel. Under Format Cells If, change the drop-down to Custom Formula Is. Make sure your formula starts with an equals sign. Step 3. Use COUNTIF to detect duplicates. We're going to use the COUNTIF function. Use this formula, and I'll include it in the description below so you can copy and paste it. Let me explain what this does. COUNTIF B:(B1) counts how many times the value in B1 appears in the entire B column. Even though we typed B1, Google Sheets automatically adjusts it for each row. So when it evaluates row 2, it checks B2. When it evaluates row 3, it checks B3. Greater than 1 means if that value appears more than once, it's a duplicate. So every cell checks itself against the entire column. That's the magic. Step 4. Choose your highlight color. Now choose your formatting style. You can select yellow for a soft warning, or choose red if you really want it to stand out. Click Done. And just like that, all duplicates are highlighted. Why this works so well. This method works for hundreds or thousands of rows. Updates automatically when new data is added. Doesn't require helper columns. Makes cleaning data fast and easy. It's one of the simplest and most powerful data cleaning tricks inside Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I share tips, tricks, and smart automations to help you get more out of Google Sheets than you ever have before. Drop your questions in the comments. I might answer them in a future video. And one of these videos on your screen right now might just be your next Google Sheets breakthrough.